Okay, so here are our notes for this week. We will only be doing rotations for one round, so we'll be able to finish up the middle colonies and start the southern colonies next week. Of course, you should have your map on the back, which we will be filling in as we go. And we are going to be doing Pennsylvania and Delaware today. All right, so let's just get started. Pennsylvania was founded in 1681. I don't want to use that. I want to use this. Where it was founded to the west of New Jersey, I'm going to put NJ because that's the abbreviation for New Jersey, and to the southwest of New York, and Y for New York. So the Pennsylvania colony was founded to the west of New Jersey and southwest of New York, which we can see on the map. You can see that it's southwest of New York and to the west of New Jersey. Here's Pennsylvania. Let's see, I've used pink, green, yellow, blue. Let's go with, not bronze, I don't want to waste all that ink. Let's go with, running out of colors. Guess orange. So I'm going to shade in Pennsylvania with orange in the key. And now I'm going to shade in the actual colony in orange so it matches. And I do have my question. There will be a question for a prize in this video. All right. And then we have a city that goes with Pennsylvania, which I'm going to put in black. Oh, I got ink. Marker ink on my hand. And that would be right here on the border of New Jersey. That is Philadelphia. And Philadelphia is going to be a city we're going to refer a lot to over the next few weeks and even few months as we move further into early American history. All right, back to the notes. The founder of the Pennsylvania colony was a man named William Penn. Penn, like Pennsylvania. Why was Pennsylvania founded? It was founded for religious freedom. They're going to talk more about that as we get down here. And also to make money. Down in the other row, its founder, we're going to write his name again, William Penn. All right, so was a Quaker. Quakers believed everyone was equal, and they were tolerant of religious groups. So Pennsylvania was a place to go to, especially because you could worship as freely as you like. Penn also actually paid the Native Americans for their lands and signed a peace treaty. Would make a little bit more sense for that bullet to be up here since that's when we were talking about religion. So it's like one topic, then we shifted to another topic, and we're back at that topic. All right, at this point, I'm going to interject my question. So the information you need to know to get the question right is I have been to 2 of these states, 2 of them. And the 2 I have been to both start with the letter N. Keep that in mind. All right, let's move on to Delaware. Delaware was founded in 1704. And when it was founded as the southeastern corner of Pennsylvania. And I'm going to shorten it to PA because that's the abbreviation for Pennsylvania. So Delaware started as the southeastern corner of Pennsylvania. Let me kind of block that off a little bit. Okay, so now we are going to shade in Delaware, which I'm going to give this bronze color to it. And Delaware would be here. So it would have started off as this corner, but then eventually grew to its full size, which is still quite small. All right, and then we have a city, Dover. Let's see. I'm going to use gray for the circle and gray in the key. And now for my question. Now, earlier in this video, I gave you the information that you needed. So there are 2 choices to pick from that answer my question. I want you to write the name that you choose from my question right up in here. The founder for Delaware, also very unique like New York was, this was Swedish settlers. So people from Sweden. Swedish people, which we call Swedes, already lived in the area, so they had already left Sweden and settled in this area. So they, we could fill that in here, Swedish settlers asked William Penn for the right to make their own laws, which he gave them. And over time, Delaware was considered its own colony, distinct from Pennsylvania. So Delaware sort of emerged, came out of Pennsylvania. All right, so that wraps us up for the middle colonies. Make sure, of course, your name is on it, that you have both the map fully colored in and this side fully completed, and put it in the basket. And the prize for both New England colonies and middle colonies will be given this week.